Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of utensil making. Ever wondered how the forks, spoons and knives you use every day are made? Well, you're about to find out. First stop on our factory tour is the raw material section. Here we start with large sheets of stainless steel. These are cut into smaller, manageable pieces. Safety first, everyone. Always make sure you're wearing your gloves and goggles when handling sharp materials. Next, the cut pieces head over to the stamping machine. This giant machine shapes the steel into familiar utensil forms. It uses a lot of pressure to get the shapes just right. Pretty cool, huh? Once stamped, these newly formed utensils move on to the polishing section. This is where the magic happens. Each piece is buffed and shined until it reaches that perfect mirror-like finish. Shiny utensils not only look good, but they're also easier to clean. After polishing, it's time for the handles. Depending on the design, some handles are welded on while others are molded from plastic or wood. This step requires precision, so pay close attention to detail. Finally, we come to the quality control section. Every utensil is inspected to make sure it meets high standards. No sharp edges, perfect symmetry, and that flawless finish. Only the best make it through this stage. And there you have it. From raw steel to your dinner table, that's how utensils are made. Next time you pick up a fork, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. Thanks for joining me on this factory tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at how everyday items are made. Catch you in the next video.